Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to another vlog, another day of my life. Today is September 30th, 2023. And like, yo, you guys, I'm just happy I'm even back doing this. Like, right now I'm actually about to head to downtown to check out this studio. I'm trying to get back on doing my covers. Like, I really do. And like I said, I just enjoy collaborating with people, and JB is my man. So let's go. I was looking through my old vlogs when I first started vlogging back in 2020. And I remember I was like sharing with you guys, like, you know, the stuff that I was like kind of going through, like spiritually and mentally. But honey, the stuff that I'm going through spiritually and mentally at this age, I wish I could go back to that girl. You know what? I'm starting to learn about life. Life is not gonna get easy. Life is only gonna get harder, and life's always gonna be throwing obstacles at you. But I say that to say this: continue pushing, continue being you. Like, no matter how bad things get, I don't care how bad things get personally in life, like, if God still has you here, breathing, living, waking up every day, don't let that stop you. Experience all those good, up, down, bad feelings, whatever. Like, we're here to experience and grow and inspire others and help each other. So that's my little chit chat for right now. This is which video?
I finally got Hollywood to come see me.
Hi.
Wish I knew what's on your mind, that I wouldn't think it's something about. If you gave more of our time, yeah, we both might just get what we want. Too scared to love me. Tell me what I did this time. What did I work so for you? I wish I could read your mind. I don't know if you want me to come over. I don't know if you want me to come over. Don't wanna ask, really I should know.
Hey guys, happy Sunday and happy 1st of October 2023. It's fourth quarter. As you guys can see, yesterday I had a silk press. If you've been a fan of mine with my hair journey, especially back on TikTok, probably like around 2021, I've been doing a lot of protective styles, twist styles, faux locks, braid styles. I've been doing a lot. And most of it was to grow out my hair, and I'm just really big shout out to Niah. You guys, make sure you guys follow her on Instagram. I'll link all of her socials and booking website below. If you're in LA and you need somebody to do hair, and she doesn't also just specialize in silk presses, she does everything across the board, and she's a girlie from Detroit, so big shout out to her. It was just so great connecting with somebody back from the city. And y'all know, if you're from Detroit, you know the hairstylist is gonna get you together. When I came in there, I told her, like, I haven't had my hair silk pressed since years. It probably has been about 4 to 6 years when I had like a real silk press. I'm really excited. I don't know if you guys can see, but you know, Niah gave it a little trim yesterday, and as you can see from the hair videos, I did have like so much damage. I was not getting a trim. Like, that's how you know I haven't had my hair done in a minute. But she got me together, and I'm just so grateful and so thankful that we're here today. As promised, not only am I back with the vlogs, I'm probably just gonna give you guys more weekend vlogs because you know, life is lifing, and it's always gonna be lifing. But the hair videos are coming. So right now I'm actually getting ready to record one for you guys, which will probably come out later on this week, so make sure you're watching out for that. And also later on today, I'm gonna be doing like just a little slight unboxing of some stuff that I've got from Sephora and this beauty brand called Vertex Beauty, who is an official sponsor for this video. So thank you, Vertex Beauty, for collabing with me. I'm very excited to try your products. I'm gonna go on, do the video, and we're gonna come back for the unboxing. This brand is called Vertex Beauty. They sent me a little eyebrow and eyeliner set. So I have a pair of eyebrow brushes, eyeliner brushes, this tool to kind of slick your eyeliner, and then some dermaplaning and eyebrow razors, which we will not be using because I kind of already did that earlier this week. Make sure you guys check them out. I'll link everything below. So now that we're good with that, oh my gosh, like, first of all, I've never done my eyebrows in that type of way using the brushes. I usually just use the pen and like kind of make it look a little wispy, but I like it. It's kind of giving a little bit more precision and all that. I have just a few things that I got from Sephora, so we're just gonna go through them. You know, when you're signed up with the Sephora app, when you purchase over a certain amount, or even when you're in store, or even your birthday, you know, you get a little bit of perks and stuff. So for this purchase, I ended up getting the Rosso Valentino lipstick sample. It's like a Rogue Satin. I'm not a big lipstick girl, but let's just do the swatch. It's so cute. Look how cute it is. Okay, that's the color. Let's do a swatch. Ooh, that's a red. I'm a big fan of smell good, and I always get so many compliments of whenever I have like my hand lotion or just however I smell. And even though this is like a travel kit, I'm just like, what? I'm gonna get it. So this is Sol de Janeiro. Not sure if I'm saying it right. I got these like NARS samples as well. I got like 2 lip glosses, and we got like another lip gloss with I'm over here. We also got like another lip gloss with some blush. Just a little bit. Can't let these men know that you're blushing. Here we go with the 2 colors. This is called Orgasm. This is Orgasm, and this is Unbroken. Let's swatch these really quick on my hand. So the top one is Orgasm and the middle one is Unbroken. I really want to try it on my lips. Let's do it.
Hanging on my neck, the bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Tina Dollar. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went.
We love it. We love it. We love it. The thing that I got from Sephora was like this little Sephora Favorites Luxe Vibes Essentials. This comes with a plethora of things. You got some lipstick from Givenchy, some face cream. I believe there's like a hair oil. This is how the box looks. Comes like that. And wow, this looks good. I would really sit up here and try all these for you, but I can't. But what we can do is swatch the lipsticks. So this is the Givenchy. That's the Givenchy. I'm gonna try the Gucci if I could get this open. That's the Gucci right there. Yeah. I'll link everything that I got from Sephora also in the description below. And yeah, make sure you guys check that out. Alright guys, so I'm back. I just finished editing all of that content for Vertex Beauty. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and TikTok and check out that. There's more content to come. I think we're gonna end the vlog right here. Honestly, it was a short weekend. I really didn't do anything. Thank you guys for watching this vlog, and make sure you check out all the stuff down in my description. Thanks for being a part of the healing journey, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl.